Introducing SuperTrak HORIZON3, the new compact magnetic conveyor for leaner manufacturing automation by SuperTrak Conveyance. With shuttles capable of payloads up to 3 kilograms and shuttle-to-shuttle pitch down to 50 millimeters, SuperTrak HORIZON3 is the foundation of compact and flexible world-leading automation. The independent shuttle control, combined with up to 30 meters per second squared acceleration, and a plus or minus 10 micron repeatability, allows machine builders to reduce the size of assembly and packaging machines in a cost-effective manner. Coordinate the motion of shuttles to grab, clamp, and transport products of various sizes with greater flexibility. Manage processes with various pitch or spacing along the track depending on the individual constraint of each station. Repitching and synchronous on-the-fly operations on the same system have never been so simple. Like all the platforms in the SuperTrak Conveyance portfolio, use independent shuttle control to optimize the way you distribute products under stations and ensure a flawless motion from slower multi-up processes to faster indexed processes. Use smart conveyance motion to reduce repetitive tooling and decrease the final machine space by moving products in a smarter and optimized fashion. SuperTrak HORIZON3 is designed for ease of integration, use, and maintenance. Track every shuttle along the process with its unique shuttle identifier. Quickly remove, add, or exchange shuttles in your process to accommodate batch requirements, changeovers, or maintenance operations. Benefit from the proven reliability of SuperTrak Conveyance thanks to its limited moving parts and a mean time to repair shorter than 1 hour. Available for use with most common PLC brands, SuperTrak HORIZON3 shuttles can now also be directly controlled as technology objects within Siemens TIA portal over Profinet IRT. Connect with the SuperTrak team for more information.